Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever thought, I should start a YouTube channel, but then got totally overwhelmed by all the steps? You're not alone. The good news is, it's way easier than you think, and today, I'm going to walk you through the entire process. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to launch your channel, literally today. So grab a notebook, and let's get started. First things first, what's your channel about? This is your niche. Are you passionate about cooking, gaming, gardening, or maybe teaching a specific skill? Your niche is the foundation of your channel. Don't worry about being super original right away. Just pick something you genuinely love talking about. Why? Because your enthusiasm is contagious, and it will keep you motivated when things get tough. A simple trick is to ask yourself, what could I talk about for hours without getting bored? That's probably a great place to start. Write down 3 to 5 ideas and pick the one that excites you the most. Okay, you've got your niche. Now, let's create your channel. It's super simple. If you have a Google account, you're already halfway there. Just head over to YouTube, click on your profile picture in the top right corner, and select Create a Channel. YouTube will guide you through the process. Now for the fun part, branding. You need a channel name and some artwork. Forge your name. Keep it simple, memorable, and related to your niche, if possible. You can use your own name or a creative brand name for your channel art, which is your banner and profile picture. You don't need to be a graphic designer. Free tools like Canva have tons of amazing, pre-made YouTube templates. Just pick one you like, customize the text and colors, and you're good to go. A clean, professional look makes a huge first impression. Next up, the gear. And I know what you're rethinking. I need a fancy camera and an expensive microphone. Absolutely not. Your smartphone is the only camera you need to get started. Modern phones shoot incredible video. The most important thing is actually sound. People will forgive grainy video, but they will click away instantly if the audio is bad. You can use the microphone on your phone's headphones, or invest in an affordable lavalier mic that clips onto your shirt. They're only about $20 online and make a world of difference. And for lighting, stand in front of a window. Natural light is free, and it looks fantastic. Don't let gear stop you. Just use what you have. Now it's time to plan your first few videos. Don't just hit record without a plan. Brainstorm at least 10 video ideas related to your niche. For your first video, I recommend a simple channel introduction or a who I am and why I started this channel video. It's a great way for your new audience to connect with you. For each video idea, write a simple outline. It doesn't have to be a full script, just a few bullet points to keep you on track. This will make filming so much smoother and help you stay focused. Remember, done is better than perfect. Your first videos won't be your best, and that's completely okay. The goal is just to start. Alright, you've filmed your video. Now for the final step. Editing and uploading. Again, you don't need professional software. Free editing apps like CapCut for your phone or DaVinci Resolve for your computer are incredibly powerful. All you need to do is trim the beginning and end, cut out any major mistakes, and maybe add some simple text or background music. Once you're done, it's time to upload to YouTube. The most critical parts here are your title, thumbnail, and description. Your title should be catchy and tell people exactly what the video is about. Your thumbnail is your video's billboard, so make it bright, clear, and compelling. Use Canva again for this. Finally, in your description, briefly explain the video and add relevant keywords to help YouTube understand what your content is about. You've officially launched your YouTube channel. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and you just took a massive one. Don't get obsessed with views and subscribers at the start. Focus on consistency and improving with every single video. The audience will come. Thank you so much for watching. If this guide was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on growing your channel. Let me know in the comments what your new channel is about. I'd love to check it out. Now, go on and get started. I'll see you in the next video.